Every day brings new challenges, and with them, new opportunities to build upon the progress of yesterday and to discover just how far you can go today. Introducing the Trimble R12. As the leaders in GNSS technology, we set out to revolutionize what a GNSS system can do. Powered by the all-new Trimble ProPoint GNSS engine, the R12 pushes the boundaries of surveying, increasing performance and productivity and empowering you to measure in more places than ever before. The R12's unprecedented approach to signal filtering and management can improve your ability to receive survey-grade accuracy results in challenging GNSS environments. And with the rugged durability you've come to expect from Trimble, it's built for any job. When you've got a job to do, the R12 promises the kind of performance you need to meet modern surveying demands, to discover a new world of possibilities, and to go further than you ever thought possible.